Well, or going to. What are differences between these two grammar topics? Hi everyone, welcome back to English Sprint. Today we are going to talk about differences between will and going to. Before we start, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, and also click on the bell, please. Alright, guys, let's start with will. Alright, so when do we use will? Actually, we use will to announce a new decision, right? And also for predicting future. When you want to talk about future, right? So you can use will. Take a look at the examples. You can see the function here again. It is called I will turn on the heater. This is a sudden decision or new decision. Okay, you made the decision exactly that in that time. Okay, I'm getting hungry. I will cook something. Okay, again, this is a new decision or sudden decision. Let's go out by my car. I will drive tonight. Again, a decision. Okay, now take a look at the going to grammar topic. All right, so we use going to when we have already decided to do something, or predicting future by evidence or situation now. The point is here evidence, something you can see, or the situation now, right? So take a look at the examples and be going to, and let me clarify the functions for you. I decided to study for IELTS exam. This is your decision. And now you want to announce it for future. I am going to enroll on a course. Okay, you have already decided. I need to lose weight. I am going to go to gym next Monday. It means that you have already decided to go to gym because you need to lose weight. There is a black cloud. It's going to rain. All right? So, and he's talking on the phone in the car. He is going to have an accident, right? So, for example, you are driving, you are talking on the phone while you are driving, and yeah, it is a it is evidence and something in situation now. And I say, for example, you are going to have an accident, right? So please don't talk on the phone while you are driving, all right? So it's dangerous, don't do it. All right, so let's have a review of the differences. Well, is sudden decision or new decision, and going to is decisions with plans. You have decided to do something. And will is predicting without evidence, but going to predicts by evidence. Right? So these are the differences between will and going to. Right? So for going to, you have plan or something you see for evidence, right? But will is sudden decision or new decision. You don't have any plan for it, right? So now it's your turn, please. Comment below a sentence with will or going to with your reason, right? So you need to write a sentence that shows the reason why you actually chose going to or will, right? So like the examples you have seen in this video. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video until the end. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell please to support us to make other grammar topics videos. Alright guys, thank you very much, have a nice day, and goodbye.